Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making caramel egg pudding, 焦糖鸡蛋布丁. This is one of my favorite desserts in my childhood. The taste is like a milky egg jello. Combined with the caramel sauce on the bottom, it's just perfect. The recipe I'm showing today is very easy, that everybody can make at home. Let's get started! Here is everything we need. First of all, use a saucepan, add 100 grams of sugar, and turn the heat to the low heat, medium-low heat. Okay, let it cool until it turns golden brown. You can see the sugar is all melted and went until the small bubble coming up and the color is like an amber. Now you can add the 40 grams of cold water inside, but be careful, it will be spit a little bit. Be careful. Okay, mix together with the water and sugar. Okay, now the caramel sauce is ready. Turn off the heat and pour in the container. And let the caramel cool down. Okay, and now I'm going to make the pudding. Okay, pick up one vanilla bean and cut it through the middle. Okay, can I open it? We need a seed inside. Use the other side of the knife to scrape out the vanilla seed. Okay. Put that in the saucepan. Okay. Then add 80 grams sugar, also 400 grams of milk. Okay. Let's heat up. Turn the heat to the medium heat. Heat up the milk till 140 Fahrenheit. Sorry, I forgot to bring out the vanilla bean, also put it inside to cook. Preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. Stir the milk to melted the sugar. Add 2 whole eggs inside a pitcher. Also 2 egg yolks. Blend it. Let's see the milk part. So do not overheat the milk. Let me see. The temperature shouldn't. Oh, okay. I need to do under the 140 Fahrenheit. If it's too high, just let it cool down. Away the heat. Okay, so now the temperature is under 140 Fahrenheit. So we can pour in the egg mixture. Stirring the egg while we add the milk, vanilla milk. Okay, toss the vanilla bean away. Okay, give it a stir. Use a strainer to filter the vanilla seeds twice. Okay, put it here and strain it again. Pudding liquid is ready to add in to the caramel. Cover with the foil for each one. Okay, and let's send them to the oven. Okay, put the pudding covered with foil in the oven and add hot water on the outside tray. Bake 300 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes, take out the pudding. Remove the foil. And let them fully cool down. Okay, wait until it fully cool down. Cover with a plastic food wrap. And then put them into the refrigerator overnight or 24 hours. Alright, after put it in the fridge for overnight, take out, remove the film, and the pudding is ready to eat. Okay, you can eat it while it's cold, and you can also do upside down like this. So cut the edge. Okay, use a plate, cover it, and then flip it. Okay, okay. Ta-da! Yay! Alright, so this is today's caramel egg pudding. The homemade caramel sauce smells really good and is healthier. And the custard pudding part is like a milky jello combined with the caramel sauce. Is so delicious. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.